Hello and welcome everyone to Diecast's YouTube channel. Just after a long time I'm doing a video to my YouTube channel because I was a bit busy these days with my jobs and stuff. So thought to do a quick video of my newest custom model. So as you can see, I got three castings over here. Mitsubishi Lancer Evo X by Veli Diecast 1:64 scale. So I did three different customs on these castings. Actually, it's a $1 model in Australia in Kmart. So I bought couple from what other casting? Toyota 86 and 4 from the Lancer Evo X models. So there you go. So I think I have shown these two before. This is my latest custom. So I thought to do the this sort of navy camo paint on the casting because I love the camouflage paintings on my diecast models. So previously I did Land Rover camo series. As you guys remember, just go to my Instagram page and you can see the photos of those ones. I haven't done any videos on those ones. So talking about this one, what I did is like to do a camo is a bit not easy but a bit tricky. So what I did was did the base paint from light blue color and choose another 3 different colors for the camouflage patterns. Black, extremely light blue, and something middle. Like I don't know how to vary the color patterns, and I did screw these ones and used these nice awesome 6-spoke wheels. I ordered them from eBay. I got like 5 sets of them, but I was like I was trying to use the HotWheels wheels for these castings, but the width of the body is a bit more than HotWheels cars, so just missing by millimeters. So I had to use the custom wheels for that one. These rubber tires. It is like perfectly matching, and did the front headlights and tail light decors. I think it matches perfectly. Good, isn't it? And detail, and I painted the spoiler. See, it got all the detail, grill on the front. Yeah, looks good, huh? So I'm gonna use this type of a box to store it. If you guys didn't remember these ones, check this out. This is my previous one, and this is the one before. Nice, huh? I love Mitsubishi Lancer model. So yeah, that's it, boys. Oops. I got another couple of Hot Wheels I bought this week. Hot Wheels 50th anniversary Pontiac Firebird and Hot Wheels 70 Road Runner. To be honest, I didn't buy any of these 50th anniversary models so far, but yeah, but these two I love. I like these two, so just just spend some money. And another two. Morris Mini Mongoose Walker red color version. I think now we have seen enough Mongoose Walker decor, so Hot Wheels, please stop manufacturing more Mongoose Walker stuff. So otherwise all the collectors will get sick of seeing this stuff. And the Beast 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. How good is this? Yeah. So I was so nervous to see how detailed this and the casting. So I opened this one before the video and took some photographs and took this to beach and took nice photograph. Just check on my Instagram page. You can see so many good images of this casting. Talking about this one, this is a fairly new model. New model to, what's this one? 2019 sets. Yeah, doesn't matter. And it is bit longer than the Raptor castings and a bit wide as well. I don't know. So anyway, HotWheels has done a great job with this also maroonish color paintings and all the details. Chevrolet emblem over here in the back rear, and detailed front grille with the Chevy logo, front lights. Or is that a tow bar? I don't know. And HotWheels wheels on them. It says Trail Boss over here. Yeah, it looks like a boss. See, it's very nice. I'm expecting more and more color variations of this model in future. See, it says 19 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. What was the meaning of LT? I don't know. Yep. So that's it for today. Just a quick video. Hope you guys enjoy my video. See you guys soon. Bye.